So he's pulling over. He's pulling over and blocking me in. Spy van, spy van. No markings. Tennessee special tags. Chevrolet. Can't. I think they found me. Huh? Yeah, people seem to be like in a real big hurry to like run me over. Oh, it's a Jaguar. My mom has one of those. But John knows cars. I know that car. Tweet, 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 tweet. Nice family Ford Tauruses. Yay, go America. How many people buy American these days? Like seriously, everyone knows that German engineering is best. And who the fuck buys a Jaguar? Okay, they can't buy cars. They can't build cars. Ooh, JJJ. Let's see if this is a scary stalker person. Yeah, probably. He's got his lights on. Yeah, and he's got Kentucky tags. That's never a good sign. Yeah, here's another one with Kentucky tags. Ah, fuck. And it's Alabama. It doesn't matter, military. Speed, speed, speed. Don't get caught on film. She's out. Here comes another one. Speed, 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 speed. This is fun.